But what may be the biggest transformation of them all? The cabinets. By far the most time-consuming and difficult design decision of the kitchen so far has definitely been the backsplash. So many choices, so many stores. After a lot of deliberating and then coming up with a decision and then doubting ourselves, we finally decided on a backsplash tile.
Okay, let's stack them up and see how they look.
Jeez, I lifted all the boxes.
As if that's the first time your fingers even touch the box.
The camera doesn't know any different. But before the backsplash, we're gonna do a couple other things. To secure the beam, I thought outside the box, and we'll screw it in through the side of the cabinets.
Wow, what a professional.
First things first, we gotta clean up all the counters.
It's the worst part. Ew, you're starving me to death here. When you said we, I thought you meant you. We had to sand it to make sure there was no bumps and get off all the dirt.
And then you gotta wipe away all the dust.
It's the worst part of every job. And I always get assigned it.
Show me some wiping action.
That's wrong, I'm not left-handed. Okay, you show me some wipage. I can't reach the back corner.
Make sure it doesn't fall on your head.
Is it heavy?
No.
Whoa! It's heavy.
Just hold it from falling on my head.
What about my head? Ah!
Flip her down. There you go. 3, 2, 1.
Da-na-na-na! Welcome to Tile Annihilator.
Wow.
Spread mortar in one direction. Do not spread an area larger than can be covered before skin develops. So you go cut. Let me do that. I'm better at spreading.
Yeah, but now I'm nervous to cut.
Sheesh Louise, just do it. I'm a professional. Too big.
That was our first day of tiling.
My fingers hurt from pushing those little spacer things in. I think we got like a B. It's definitely not an A+ or anything, just because the spacing is really hard. But for a first time, it's pretty good. I'll accept a B. Mortar, trowel.
So now that we're professionals, teach the camera how to tile.
Step 1, open the bucket. You just gotta work with it a little bit. Yeah, just smear it on. But you can just pick it up. Alright. That's good enough for me. We just put our little spacer at the bottom so it's all the same height. Push it on. We take these little guys and just put them in to make sure everything is even as best as we can. Ouch. And this is why my fingers hurt. And a little puppy intermission. I know.
How's it fitting?
It's fitting beautiful. Oh, it is a little too much.
What do you think? For our first time tiling, how did we do?
Pretty good, I'd say. This corner looks really nice, and this one looks nice if you squint real hard. Squint.
Actually, it looks alright on camera.
Psych.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm excited to get some grout in and be done. Yeah, it looks sharp. Really pulls the kitchen back together.
Get messy with it. You gotta work like a lot in it.
We're having a party, dancing to the music played by the DJ on the radio. The cokes are in the icebox, popcorn's on the table. Me and my baby, we're out here on the floor. Mr. DJ, keep those records playing, 'cause I'm having such a good time dancing with my baby.
Jeez, the clean kitchen didn't last very long.
I cook, you clean. You don't like waiting for our videos? Follow us on Instagram for real-time reno updates.
Bad.
Past my bedtime, so come check us out on Instagram because that's where the reno updates are. I'm out.